Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Netflix. To know how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Netflix and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Netflix. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.